Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and bell for notifications. Today's video is a little different than what I'm used to. Just want to give you a little warning about a scam email going around. I received this email yesterday morning at 1:48 a.m. Just want to show you what it's all about. Alright, so here it is. That's YouTube. That's a regular notification. YouTube. YT support. That's the one. Support as the subject. YT support. YT controller at mail.ru is the address. It's got the YouTube logo. Let's see what it says. Hi Grant McIntosh. We got several complaints that indicate there are many spam videos on your YouTube channel, but no need worry. So right there kind of sounds like somebody doesn't know their English or their correct way to use words, but no need worry. Our YouTube team will review your YouTube channel, then a report will be sent to you by email. It would be convenient for you to avoid uploading new videos when we are investigating your channel. Please fill in the following questionnaire and send it to us as reply to this email. If our team fail, another mess up. If our team fail to review your channel due to lack of information, your channel will be closed. Thank you for your patience in this process. Thanks for patience. And right there, just several grammatical errors. And then they want the URL, copyright, yes or no, and your password. Long story short, never ever give your password to anyone, especially through email that looks like it's from YouTube. These hackers, scammers, whatever you want to call them, are taking over people's YouTube channels, changing the name of their channel and acting as if it's their own, selling it to someone else. Whatever they're doing, it's not for good intentions. So don't ever give anybody your password. Make sure you do the two-step verification process. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Till next time, have a great day.